I think after all his exertions in Europe, Mobi richly deserves some fresh oil and a filter. I've also got an air filter, and I've noticed this little problem over the last while when he's warming up, that just before it reaches full temperature it tends to drop onto 3 cylinders. And I think that when I was doing all that diagnosis of the fuel problem back this time last year, I may have not fitted the newest set of plugs back in. So I'm curious to see that if a change in those will stop that problem when he's warming up. It runs rough like this for a while, and then when it gets fully warm, it clears itself again. That one isn't so nice there. I can see signs of there's a little bit of rust and a kind of a brownness around here, so it looks like it may have been arcing. There's actually kind of some kind of displacement of the insulation here, so perhaps that could be the culprit. Nice to have him breathing well again. So this is actually a perfect morning to see if Mobi warms up more effectively. It's a little bit cooler and it's a bit damp. That's brilliant. Mobi's warmed up without any hiccup this morning, which is just as well because I've got a really long and important trip to make today.